Hi guys, if you belong to the people who like to repair stuff instead of throwing them away when they don't work anymore, then I want to show you something today. And it's all about light, right? So everybody knows different types of lighting, and today of course we have several types available. So this is incandescent halogen style. This is a Edison style LED lamp, a normal LED lamp, and this one, you know, the low energy style. I don't even know the name. All of these have in common then that when they burn out, they are landfill, right? As well, this LED, all these components are glued together with adhesive or melted together. Once this is broken, you can only throw it away. But there's one type of LED lamps. It's Chinese. They call it the corn bulb style LEDs, and these ones are very easy to repair, and I will show you how that works. So why are they easy to repair? First of all, you can just easily disassemble them. Yeah? You just open the cap, you take out this here, you have here the lower part, and then underneath of this is the driver, and on the up there is 7 PCBs with all these SMD LED components on it. And why can this be repaired? Well, this is nothing what burns out or anything, right? I mean, it's an electronic device actually, right? It has electronic components on it, and of course one of those components can break, but you just need to replace it and then it will work again pretty fine. And let me show you what usually breaks on these kind of things. So here just a closer look. As I said before, here the driver, and then on the up is only SMD LED components. And if you take them apart, which can be easily desoldered, it's 6 of these ones, and then on the top this one, the cap, right? And what usually fails on these lights is not the driver, right? It's just one of these SMD LED components, and mostly it's very, very obvious where the failure is. You can see a just small black spot in the middle of these components, which is indicating that this single component blew, right? And everything else on this board will be perfectly working. So this one is another example. You see it's obviously extremely burnt, that one, so everything else is good. That will be the reason why it does not work. For example, this one, I can't see anything on those LED, on the LEDs. So what you can do is you can use the meter, put it on the diode mode, and then you can actually measure each of those LEDs, and the working ones will slightly light up. You can see them light up from the meter, from the voltage which is applied there, and the one which stays dark is the broken one typically. If all the LEDs would be working, then it's probably a driver issue, and you can just take another driver from a bulb which you use as a replacement. So the only thing we need to do, and it's very easy, is to desolder here these connections, and then take out this board, and we will just take one of the other ones which I took from one broken just to have replacement parts and put it inside instead of the other one, and it should work again. So let's try this. You can of course take a wick to remove the solder here, but I'm out of wick, so I just use my soldering iron and push the solder away to remove the top piece. So you see now the top piece is removed. It's very easy to do actually, but you have to be careful not to break those pads. That's why it's probably better to use a wick. So, okay, so this one is the failed one. So I take out this board and I take one of my replacement boards. These boards, PCBs, are all marked, so it's very nice. You cannot make a mistake actually. Plus to plus, minus to minus, very easy to do. So the new board is already in. Here is a marking, a black dot, and the black dot is also here, so you adjust that one again to the same direction here, and you have to just put all those cutouts into their holes. Okay, let's solder this on. And all the parts are again connected, so let's try if it is working again. Light here to check, and you see it's again perfectly working. So you see, this is actually not a one-time shot, so you can repair this as many times as you want. You just need to be careful not to damage all those small parts. But I will take now a pen and I mark it as a repaired one. And then after it's used and maybe it fails again, I know if it was a new bulb or if it was repaired already. But there is no reason to believe that this will not work again for a while. So no need to buy again, just repair, very simple, takes a few minutes, you only need a soldering iron. So this is the result of today's repair attempt. These 9 have still some problem or was not obvious what to change, so I didn't touch them. 9 unrepaired, and this 9 here are again fully repaired and serviceable. So 50-50 for today. So if you found this interesting, thank you for watching, and please watch some other videos on my channel, and I'll talk to you next time.